Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing a voice AI bot and connecting it to Discord. This is where you set permissions and give mic access. Once done, paste the API key into the bot's config and link the voice channel. This lets the bot join and transmit audio. Make sure you select the right input and output devices in Discord settings because mismatched devices cause silent audio. Finally, test with a short phrase to confirm the bot responds and records as expected. Next, you configure audio parameters and model behavior. First, set sample rate and codec. Use 16K, 48K depending on quality versus bandwidth because higher rates need more data. Then adjust latency settings, reduce buffer for real-time chat, increase it for better fidelity. You should feed 1 to 5 minutes of clean sample audio if the model supports fine-tuning, so the voice matches your target. Once calibrated, run an extended test and listen for clip. To finish, deploy the bot into the active server and assign roles so it can join voice channels automatically. You'll want to monitor CPU, memory, and network usage in real time because resource spikes cause dropouts. Use lower sample rates or smaller model instances if needed. If audio cuts out, make sure the API key hasn't expired and the bot's permission to speak remains enabled. One quick troubleshooting step. Switch to a simpler TTS voice or reduce bitrate temporarily to confirm the pipeline still works.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.